Right now, I'm going to show you how to create logos in Midjourney. You can create logos like this, and this, and this. Keep watching because I'll share tips throughout the video so you can create the best logos possible. You can do a Google search to seek out what are the best logo styles. I'm going to show you an example here. Type in different logo styles. Here's a page that I'll link to in the description. It's a great resource that breaks down all of the different types of logo styles. So you can see here they've got word mark, letter form, abstract. It'll show you all of the different styles and what common logos are you can just find out in the world. And then you can use these as templates to specifically craft a logo. So let's start by creating a logo for a fictional soccer team called the Lions Soccer Club. If you want Midjourney to recognize text, you can put it in quotation marks and that'll help your prompt. Here's the result. This is using Midjourney 5.2, which is known not to do a good job with text. While the text is clear, you can see that it doesn't even come close to what it is that I had asked. Let's use the same prompt and switch over to Midjourney version 6, which is known to do a lot better with text. Here's what Midjourney version 6 puts out. A lot better, a lot more legible, although it missed the word line. If you stay tuned, later on in the video, I'm going to show you a tip on how you can take the text from a logo that you've created and change it so you can correct it and make it exactly to your liking. But overall, I'm satisfied with this. It captured the line, it captured the word soccer club. So if you're creating a logo and you're going to have text in it, you might want to consider using Midjourney version 6. Next, I'm going to create an emblem logo of an F1 racing team. Overall, a great result. I really like the third one in the bottom left-hand corner. Great styling. And if you wanted to generate more variations of an image, if you were to click on V3, this will initiate Midjourney to create 4 new images modeling after the third variation. Another thing that Midjourney can do with logos is you can tell Midjourney to create a logo in the style of something. Let's look up famous logo designers. Here's a website that I'll link in the description, but this website has the 20 most famous logo designers and their iconic work over the years. So as you scroll through them, you can see here's Paul Rand. He's responsible for IBM, UPS, and Ford. If you go to Peter Saville, you've got Burberry, you've got Massimo Vinelli, who's done American Airlines, and so on and so forth. Let's create an image in the style of Massimo Vinelli, and we're going to create the image for a computer microchip company, and let's see what it comes up with. And here's the result. Minimalist, flat, but stands out, sharp detailing. Overall, I really like the simplicity and how bold these images look using the style of Massimo Vinelli in order to get the desired result. And Midjourney can also do images of 3D characters, so I'll show you an example of this. Tell it to create a 3D logo of an iPad app that teaches kids how to draw. And here we go. Really stylized, very, very cute. And it's something that you could use for anything that you can create. Midjourney does a really great job of 3D rendering, especially when it comes to just icons. But what happens if you loved one of these images and you wanted to remove the background? Here's my next tip. You can simply type in background image remover online. There's a number of these here that do give you options for free, but they're limited until they put you on pricing. I prefer to use Adobe's background remover because all you have to do is just create an account, which is completely free. You don't have to pay for this at all. Adobe will automatically remove the background. After you're logged in, you hit download. You have your logo with the background removed. So let's say you created a logo and you really liked one, but the text is completely off and you want text in your logo. What do? What I'm going to show you now is another tip, which I want to give credit to Matt Wolf. He did this in another video that he had made. It's using Canva, which is completely free, to make changes to the logo so that you can put the text that you want and you can correct it accordingly. I'm going to show you that right now. So when you get to Canva, you can log in with your Google account or you can create an account completely for free. I'm going to go here to create design. I'm going to upload my image. I'm just going to click on use and design, go to custom design, create new design. What I can do is I can click on the image, I can go over to text, and I'm going to go with a text that I feel is similar to the one here. I'll go to this one, I will lay it on top. If I want to ensure that the color scheme is followed the exact same way, all I need to do is I need to highlight the text that I want to make changes to, click on the color, click on the plus sign, and then use the eyedropper tool here. And then I'm just going to hover over color of the text in the initial logo. And you'll see it automatically updates. Next, we're going to go to elements. We're going to go to a rectangle. We're going to bring it in. We're going to change the color to black. And then here, we're just going to simply resize it. And you may have to play around with this as you go. So now I've completely removed the text that doesn't make sense. Here, I will edit it, be what I need it to be. And here we go. I have my completed logo. The additional text has been removed. I've added in my own text, which is similar. I've added the same colors. It's one way that you can change text in logos completely for free, just creating an account with Canva. But if you're watching this video and want to know how to use Midjourney beyond logos and create characters consistently to use potentially as an AI avatar or to create a presence on social media without having to show your real face, click on this video right here.